So this is day 2. We're going to talk about refinement of these cups we put together yesterday or whichever day. So we're going to have our tools out. We're going to have our rib tool, our little modeling tool, and our sponge with water, and maybe a stick. So I'm going to first just kind of paddle this stuff together. You can see how much more stiff these are now. Not quite leather hard, but I don't have to worry about them, wiggling all over the place. So I did that. If you set it down, I can see it's kind of slanted, so I'm going to tap this. Get it more even. Rib tool curved. I'm going to scrape. As I see it taking the clay away. A little curve to my rib tool to remove that lump on the bottom. Being real careful by my textures. We'll go on the inside and kind of rib tool to make this all look even. So round side, little curve.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
I just I just can't wait to pop one out.
Okay. Then we always want our rim not to look so straight and cut off. We're gonna soften it, so I'm putting my sponge over the rim. I'm just kind of rounding it.
Oh no! This man fell off.
Put it on the table. I'll put it back up.
A train?
Put it on the table. I'll put it back up. I can see that looks softer now. Thin it out just a little bit more since it's a cup and I want it to look.
I'm thinking about peeking.
Don't, Xander.
Okay. Just filming the others.
And then I'm going to round that again. Anytime you use a tool, you most likely are going to have a tool mark that you need to smooth with. Okay, so that's pretty good cleanup so far.
Those things are see-through.
So what's next for this one is a handle. And then we'll do, I'll talk about some attachments too for, I probably won't put any attachments on this one since my decoration is those stamps that I showed you. But I'll show you some on the other cups. Okay, that would be the same process for these other two that we did. So I showed you the straight one and this little pillowy one, okay? I would do the same thing. I'm gonna start with my rib tool, a little scraping, maybe a little paddling, doing the inside and softening, and then we'll get handles on, and then we'll do some cool carving and attachments and all that stuff, okay?